The future is unknown for us. It's even more unknown for our students. And the best that we can do is to prepare them for the unknown. And the only way we can do that is to give them a set of tools so that they become confident of facing something which none of us actually know is coming their way. So one of the tools that we are focusing on delivering is the whole process of design thinking. But design thinking as applied to designing for the future. So it's not really solving today's problems, but it's also solving today's problems in a manner that they're not creating new problems for somebody else or somewhere else tomorrow. So we organized this workshop for the first year students of PGDM. And this workshop was really more of a teaser into the whole process of thinking like a designer. And while design thinking is evolving as a very large, very vast, very expansive field in its own right, we were more focused on changing the way they think about problems and situations, looking at problems as opportunities for them to contribute, looking at problems as something that, if solved, will leave the world a better place. But even more importantly, making sure that whatever solutions they come up with don't create a problem somewhere else. So we call that responsible problem solving. So we gave them an exposure to some of these concepts through examples, loads and loads of examples, lots of discussions, lots of exploration, and we just hope that whatever they have been able to absorb is something that they will mull over, there's something that they will think about, and whenever the opportunity arises, they would be in a position to apply it. Because the real success comes only when you apply your learning. It's not just knowing about something, it's also being able to apply it in a certain context. Now, second reason why this subject became important for us is the over-reliance on easily available AI tools. And the AI tools, as we all know, learn from the past. They have no means of understanding what the context today is. They have no means of predicting what's going to happen tomorrow. And when we start trusting them to take decisions on our behalf or helping us to take decisions which will impact tomorrow, then we have a much bigger problem on our hands. And so can we have the students build the capability of thinking for themselves? Because as human beings, we have this intuition, we have this instinct of sensing things which the AI does not have. For the AI, everything is just data. And so can we coexist with the AI in such a way that we don't lose the humanity that we are all born with? And we keep the moral compass, the ethical foundation of what makes us human, more socially acceptable. And blend that with the superhuman knowledge that the AI is able to possess. Can we combine them both? Then we have an amazing sort of tool for the future. So let's not become over enamored by this tool as it emerges. Let's not completely become a slave to it, but grow along with it so that tomorrow what we have is something called augmented intelligence. It's not artificial intelligence, it's artificial intelligence, of course, augmented with our own. So that's the end game, if I may say so.